nailed the slide in like take 20. What's up, guys? It's Alex from ChartPrime coming at you. And boy, do we have some banger releases coming out for the holidays. We have 2 brand spanking new indicators that we are releasing with our premium toolkits. That's right, 2 individual quality of lifestyle indicators that are gonna make your trading game that much easier. We also have some mind-boggling new features that we have added to our pre-existing ChartPrime PRO indicators. And the screener, the screener. Mwah. This thing is what our community has been asking for ages. There is a lot to get excited about, so enough chit chat, let's just dive right in. The Market Oracle is one of our most powerful indicators. So in order to emphasize its raw power, we have created 2 supporting standalone indicators that are a match made in heaven for the Oracle. First off, meet the Oracle Screener. This bad boy gives you all of the most powerful signals from the Market Oracle at a glance. You can enter up to 20 of your go-to trading pairs and wait for your favorite combination of signals to appear on the screener. One really cool feature I personally like is on the trend signal column. It will not only show you if the asset is in an uptrend or a downtrend, but these little check marks will tell you how many take profits have been hit in the current trend. It's an excellent way to see how played out the trend really is. We also have a dynamic reactor column, our trademark candlestick patterns column, as well as our powerful reversal signals column. For example, I'm big into shorting, so I'm always looking for buy signals that have 2 check marks, meaning that the trend is most likely fully played out and ready for a reversal. And to add even more confluence, I'm looking for a reversal down and some bearish candlestick patterns. This thing has already saved me hours of flipping through the charts trying to find a good trade. And I'm going to be going over the second standalone indicator at the very end of the video, guys, so stick to the end. It's going to be a banger. Now moving on to our premium indicator feature upgrades. We've gotten quite a few requests to incorporate our very own volume profile in our premium indicators. So we've made this awesome double-sided profile which gives traders detailed metrics into each volume histogram bar by breaking down the volume that was traded in each level. As you can see, each volume histogram bar has a variety of metrics that you can analyze. For example, this metric will show you the deficit between buying and selling volume, so you can see if there was more selling or more buying at each level. Also, you can not only see the raw volume represented by the histogram bars, but you can also see a metric that no one else is talking about, which is the money flow point of control. This is the level at which the highest amount of money has been exchanged, which is oftentimes different than the highest volume. The amount of money exchanged at each level is updated in real time so you can get the most accurate data possible. Ultimately, this indicator can be used for in-depth volume analysis, support and resistance, and lastly, to identify the very important money flow point of control. For our order blocks, we have completely revamped the underlying logic. Our new logic does a much better job of actually finding areas of institutional interest. Not only have we improved the logic, but we've also added multi-time frame capability, allowing you to see important higher time frame order blocks on lower time frame charts, or vice versa. Next, we have added liquidity levels, which is a special support and resistance style indicator that will give you insight into supports and resistances that have been created by high volume selling and buying. It will show you all of the high volume supports and resistances and rank them based on their volume. Our fair value gaps have also been given a little spice by adding a visual representation of how much liquidity has been absorbed within each block. So now you can easily see where all of the remaining liquidity lies within each fair value gap. Moving on to our Trend Fusion Oscillator. Due to popular demand, we added another money flow metric to give a more comprehensive view of market direction and liquidity. Between the 3 oscillators in this indicator, you can get some very useful clues on what the market is going to do next. And lastly, for our market dynamics indicator, we have added volume metrics to our smart money market structure indicators. This brilliant new feature measures the volume from the start of the break of structure or change of character until its break point. So if the measured bullish volume exceeds a set threshold, it will be marked with a green dot, indicating bullish control and a potential price rise. Conversely, If bearish volume exceeds the threshold, it indicates bearish control and is marked red, implying a potential price drop. If neither meets the threshold, it is deemed neutral volume and marked yellow. This is such a game changer when it comes to smart money concepts. It adds a very important layer of confluence that helps you determine how reliable these break of structure or change of character signals really are. Now moving on to our market oracle, we haven't changed much here, but we did decide to add multi-time frame functionality for our very popular dynamic reactor, allowing you to see higher time frame or lower time frame versions of the dynamic reactor on your charts. And now for the second standalone indicator, we are very proud to present our very own ChartPrime backtester. With this indicator, backtesting your strategy on TradingView has now become so much more user-friendly. We've made it so you can backtest a variety of powerful signals within our market oracle, ultimately crafting your own unique strategy. You're able to get real-time live backtests showing win rates and profit factors, which allows you to instantly see the best settings for your strategy. We all know risk management is the key to consistent profits. So we have also added the ability to easily adjust your risk to reward ratio. And to maximize the gains in your strategy even further, you can use our trademark trailing take profit setting. This allows you to let your winners run a little bit more and not exit your positions too early. Lastly, the backtester dashboard shows all combinations and the optimal settings to use while trading. See the wins, losses, profit factor, and win rate for the best possible settings at a glance. At the moment, this backtester is only available for people who buy our lifetime subscription this 20th through the 28th of November. So take advantage, guys. As for the screener and the other amazing features, they will come along with a standard ChartPrime subscription. That's all for me today, guys. Keep your charts primed and always remember to use a stop loss.